All right, hello, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I believe it's January the 4th. It's probably around 2 p.m. We're back on the video. This will be video 2 of repairing fogged thermal pane windows in an RV or even your house, folks. Here we go. I've already pulled it out of the frame. You got to be careful on the door frame. This is the one I took out of the door. I call it a quarter piece. You see, usually they split them here and here, and it makes it a little easier. So this was a little harder to pull apart, okay? And then there's the gasket right there. Now, the tools you'll need is an oscillator. You really won't. I use this, just a simple woman's hair dryer, and I heat up along the glass. And that makes this stuff very easy to do. Look, I'm doing it by hand. See, that's all. So you just slide it in there. And what I do is I have a couple of them. All right. You can get them off of eBay or Amazon. It's pretty much anything with a very strong razor blade will do it. So this is Hemnook multi-knife. Okay. So I'm going to bring another one out. Now, you can see the moisture. That's inside, folks. That's inside. So what happened is this seal right here, this lost its seal, and then there was a vacuum in here. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to go put you on pause. All right, so I've already started over there. I pulled down this way. I've heated. It's warm to the touch. Don't want to get crazy, right? I don't want to bring it in. It's cold outside. You bring it in, hit it with the heat gun, break it. All right, so you just kind of come down here real slow and put the hook. Be careful you don't hook yourself. Now, I'm going to do that all the way around, folks. All the way around. Then, I'll show you. I got to get the seal itself off. All right, I don't know if it helps you or not. Just oscillator. Folks, I just hit with the heat gun. And you really don't have to use the oscillator, but I'm sure there's a couple out there that are tough. Different epoxies have been used. Somebody else has done it on their own. Now it's fogged up again. There's all kind of options. Heck, even something simple as this. Let me show you real quick. Put you on pause. Even something simple as a true razor knife would fit in there. Let's see. But you got to be careful because you don't want to scratch the glass or break it. So take your time, folks. Your time. Thank you very much. There'll be a video 3 on this. Probably a 4 when I reassemble it. Remember, what I'm going to do inside this room is put a dehumidifier, pull the moisture down to 30%, then reseal it, because the less moisture in the air, the less moisture in your barrier inside here. Okay? Less chance of it fogging up. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Video 2 of thermal pane repair window repair.